committee as if it is something ordinary. I am not someone who will remain silent after hearing this. If you give respect, we'll give respect. In our otherwise, we'll return, we'll hit back. What's the comment on it, ma'am?
How long should Congress wait? They have no respect. As an ally, their respect is lost long back. Despite repeated signals, repeated attempts, forming a committee almost 45 days, if DMK has not listened to any of their requests, nor heeded to their requests, clearly shows that they are in the wrong place. Rather than talking about broad statements and making violent statements, if there is an iota of self-respect left with Congress, they should have left the ally long back. But having said that, this ally is done and dusted. The cracks are wide open now and it has started resonating on the ground itself. So DMK and Congress, even if they were to form a compromising ally in the coming days, there will be no positive results on the ground because the cadres are divided clearly.
But the state president of Congress, Selva Perandare, says no one should comment on it, only the party leaders should.
Selva Perandare is the propaganda secretary of DMK. Four-party hopper. He is not a true congressman. Nobody within the party take him as a congressman. He is a party hopper and he is a spokesperson, propaganda secretary of DMK. Nothing else.
So in Chennai, on Tagor's statement, DMK spokesperson T.K. Silangavan has said that Congress is run by the president of the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee. He had come on with MP with our support only. That is Manik Tagore has come.
So DMK now clearly says that whatever Congress is today is because of our mercy. And they are at arms. How much more derogatory statements can DMK make? If Congress, starting from the bottom to top, has got any iota of self-respect left with them, they should leave the ally immediately.